So one of the questions often asked is what's the difference between a welded stringer system and our mechanically fastened system? While they both have advantages, such as far exceeding any strength requirements, the better question is which would be easier for you to install on your job site. When Viewrail first launched our floating staircase systems, they were a fully welded system. As time went on and we started to get feedback from our customers and installers, our engineering team addressed some of the concerns such as the high shipping costs and ease of assembly. Some of the things they did were the bolt together header, footer, and even pre-drilling the treads for ease of installation. When we had a fully welded system, you had to pretty much carry that entire stringer assembly in through the door and then lift it all up into place. A fully welded system could weigh somewhere between 500 and 800 pounds, depending on how many treads and the different configurations. With the bolt together system, you can bring it in piece by piece, assemble it in the space where your staircase is going, and then set it up and install it. It's a lot lighter and a lot easier to maneuver into your space.